Welcome back to Hope's Homemade Kitchen. You know, it's kind of a dreary day here in Minnesota, and I thought a little comfort food would be in order. So that's what we're having tonight. We're having tater tot casserole made with ground turkey. Or in Minnesota, it's called tater tot hot dish. Let me show you the ingredients. So for the tater tot hot dish, we're using ground turkey, tater tots, cream of mushroom soup, garlic, salt and pepper, Worcestershire sauce, onion powder. I'm going to add in a little ranch seasoning, some sour cream, some chopped onions. I had a little leftover parsley, so I chopped that up. And then we'll add some cheese and vegetables as well. So to get started, I preheated the oven to 375 degrees and sprayed a 13 by 9 inch pan with cooking spray. And then now I'm browning the ground turkey in a pan over medium-high heat. So we'll break that up. It'll take it probably 5 to 10 minutes to brown, or at least get all the pink out of it. Okay, the turkey is nice and cooked up. No more pink in there. I'm going to add in my onions. That's one whole medium-sized onion. Okay, we'll cook that down until the onions are nice and tender. Then we'll add our seasoning. Now the onions are nice and cooked, translucent. I'm going to add in our seasonings. Let's start with the garlic. About a tablespoon of garlic that's already been minced. And then I'm going to put in some ranch seasoning just to give it a little zip. I'm kind of eyeballing it since I'm going by no recipe. Some ground pepper, a little bit of salt, some onion powder, and some Worcestershire sauce. Got my parsley. And that's just up to you if you want to add it. I just had some left that I needed to use. Adds a little color in there. Now I'm going to add in my cream of chicken soup and cream of mushroom soup. I have unsalted kind. You can use any kind you like. I did add some salt for taste into the mixture. Also going to add in just a little bit of sour cream, about a quarter of a cup. I also need to add in about a can full of milk. I'm going to add in some mixed vegetables and about a cup of shredded cheese. Okay, so that's well blended enough because we're going to now put it in the oven. We'll pour it out in the prepared 13 by 9 inch pan, and then we'll add the tater tots on top and cook it in the oven. So I'm a little bit short on tater tots, so what I'm going to do is just kind of add a layer of hash brown, frozen hash brown potatoes. And then we'll add, well, I guess that's kind of a lot. And I'll provide the recipe in the description box below. It's kind of a no recipe, but I will write down all of the ingredients that I used. And of course you can vary it as you see fit. So now we're going to put it into a 375-degree oven and cook it for about 40 to 45 minutes. Okay, it's been about 45 minutes in the oven at 375 and it's pretty brown. I'm going to sprinkle a little more cheese on top and put it back in the oven. I put about a cup of cheese in the mixture, and then I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit on top. Okay, the tater tot hot dish is out of the oven, and the cheese on top is melted and a little bit crispy, and we're ready to dig in for a taste test. Okay, now it's time for a taste test. I had to let it cool off. It is very hot, hence the hot dish. All right. That's really good. Good crunchy on top. Nice and creamy in the center with the turkey and the vegetables and the creamy sauce. Really good. I'm going to put a little extra salt and pepper on it. Try that again. Good comfort food for a weeknight meal on a dreary day. Thanks for joining me on Hope's Homemade Kitchen, and we'll see you next time.